Hello everybody, it's your girl Benny of Benny's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare this special Nigerian pancake with a touch of vegetables. On the table I have what it takes to do this. So I have my eggs, my vegetable oil, chopped carrot, chopped green beans, little chopped pepper, little chopped tomatoes, salt, baking powder, milk, sugar, vanilla essence, and of course the main ingredient, which is our flour. So first of all, I'm going to sieve in the flour to remove any particles. You add in the dry ingredients before you add in the wet ingredients. So I'm using 2 cups of flour. I've already measured it, so I'll just take it little by little and sieve. So you can see some particles in here. That is why you have to sieve your flour before using. So add in sugar, baking powder, then a pinch of salt. Then I'll combine everything. I'll add in the milk. Then crack in the eggs. Add in vanilla essence. Then I'll combine everything together. Add some water to loosen it. It doesn't need to be a thick dough, but running batter. Not too thick, not too runny. You keep stirring until all the lumps are out. Then you add more water. You can make this as a simple breakfast or something to snack on for the kids. You can see, as I'm stirring, the lumps are dissolving. I'll still add some little water. You can see the lumps in here are not so much, but they can dissolve when it's on the fire. You can see what we have. You can see the consistency. It's not too thick, not too light. So I'll add in my vegetables. This is one way you can make your kids eat vegetables, those who don't like to eat it like that. So when you hide them in the pancake, they don't have any choice but to eat it. So I'm done here. I'll put my pan on the fire and then we'll fry. You don't need deep frying for this, just little oil in your pan, then you flip it over. When it is brown, you are good to go. So the frying pan is on the fire, and it's best for you to use your non-stick frying pan. So you add just a little bit of vegetable oil and let it go around the fry pan so it doesn't stick. So what I'm doing, let it go round, and if it's too much, you can drain some out. So when that is done, you take your cup and scoop some in the frying pan. On a low heat, to start cooking at the edges. When it starts cooking, you see the thing cooking by the side like this, the color will be changing. Then you know that it's cooking well. So you can see it's changing color. That means it's cooking. So you allow it to finish cooking at the top, then you now flip it over so it doesn't get burnt at the other side. So you can see it's fully cooked on this side. So I'll flip it. You can see how the back looks like. So you can make this as simple breakfast and to be taken with Quaker oats or custard. So you keep doing this until you are done with the batter. We are done now, so I'll take it out of the frying pan, then repeat the process. So the top is okay, and I'll flip it over. Wow, I'm loving this. Please, if you have not liked this video, keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. If you are new here, please subscribe, and if you have been following me, I just want to say thank you so very much. So this is done, and I'll take it out. Repeat the process. So guys, we are done with the pancakes. See how beautiful they look. You can do this as a simple breakfast for your children, and it can be taken with oats or custard. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.